Most parents think WhatsApp is safe because it's just texting. But hidden inside are risks that strangers, scammers, and even classmates can use to reach your child. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 risks most parents miss and how to fix each one in under a minute. Risk number 1, view one's photos and videos. They disappear after opening, but kids don't realize the other person can screenshot or screen record it. What looks safe can actually leave them exposed. How do you fix this? You go to your child's WhatsApp, sit down with them and talk. Talk to them about never sending sensitive images, even if it vanishes. But disappearing photos or videos are not the only risk. WhatsApp groups can be even riskier. Let's look at risk number 2. Group invites from strangers. I bet you didn't know that anyone with your child's number can add them into a group, exposing them to dozens of strangers instantly. For this one, we're going to go to the iPhone. Let me show you that you can fix this straight away. So we'll go to the iPhone, the best phone in the world, quote me. So we go to the iPhone, and on the iPhone, we'll look at WhatsApp. So I click on my WhatsApp app and go to settings. And in settings, you'll find privacy. Okay, so scroll down to privacy. We open privacy. Where is it? There you go. And then you can see it there, groups. I've purposely kept this as everyone so that we can change it together. So you go to groups and change where it says everyone. And when you click on it, it brings up 2 other options. You have everyone, my contacts, and my contacts except. So choose my contacts. You seize control straight away. And that's crucial. Absolutely crucial that we change it to contacts only. Okay? My contacts only. And this will switch blocks, or prevent at least random group ads. And that's important. There's still one more risk, and we're going to share that one next. And it's the most overlooked in our experience by parents. Risk number 3, status updates. Status updates. Who doesn't like to stew on this? Kids love posting photos to status, but by default, all their contacts can see them. And that includes old numbers, random acquaintances, or even someone they don't remember adding. And this is crucial. We've got to change it in WhatsApp settings again. We see the fix. We go back to the iPhone, and I'm just going to go there so that we get it right. Okay. So you go to the iPhone. Well, I'm going to the iPhone. You go to settings, and in there again, we go to privacy. So you click on privacy. Okay. And then you can see I think it's further up or further down. So we click on privacy, and then you have status. Okay. You can see that I've chosen my contacts. Again, for the tutorial, I'm going to change it live whilst we speak. So you click on status, and you have 3 options. You have my contacts except, and then you have only share with. We're recommending that you choose my contacts except. And when you do, it will allow you select possibly, like a close friends list that you've created prior, and select that so that it's only people that you want to see your status that will see it. Okay? So as you can see, this gives your child control over who sees what. And this is crucial. So crucial. Okay? So let's understand that this is something we don't want to expose our young ones to. There are risks, and there are real risks. And if you didn't know, it's just not a texting platform. In its real sense, it is social media. Okay? So let's recap. View once isn't really private. Stop unknown group invites is very crucial. So make sure that you have set or change your setting to the one that we've recommended, and lock down your status privacy. Okay? Just 3 quick tweaks on your young one's WhatsApp platform, and your child's WhatsApp is far safer than it was before you watched this video. Okay? If this has helped in any way, and I no doubt believe it has, don't stop here. Check out the other interesting and equally important videos that are littered everywhere over the platform. And whilst you're at it, hit the subscribe button so you never miss any of our episodes on Family Cyber Tips Weekly. Until next week, Monday, I've been your host, Offiong Idem. God bless and goodbye.